5 easy ways to make money with photography in 2020. 1. Create photo products. Use your photos to create calendars, wall art, apparel, iPhone cases, etc. And you can sell those products online. 2. Edit other people's photos. Freelancing is a great way to earn money. You can sign up on Fiverr and edit other people's photos. You can find the link in the description. 3. Create online photography course. If you're a skilled photographer, you can teach others what you know. 4. Do photography tutorials on YouTube. This is a no-brainer. Just try to be unique and creative when creating these videos. 5. Create YouTube thumbnails. Many people are starting a YouTube channel and most have a hard time creating thumbnails that look professional and polished. And they just don't have the time to put into photo editing. In this case, you'd sign up on Fiverr and create a gig selling thumbnail pics. Now it's not impossible, but you probably won't use all the 5 ways to earn money. But if you want to improve your chances of being successful in a short time, you should try to use 3 of the methods mentioned. Until next time, if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up for not wasting your time.